Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to put down the middle seat in an F-150. First, let's prepare the area. It's important to ensure the space around the middle seat is completely clear. Take out any items from the seat itself and the floor in front. Also, quickly check for any seatbelt buckles that might get in the way of the folding process. This simple step makes the rest of the process much smoother. Next, we need to find the release mechanism. On most F-150 models, you'll find a strap or a lever at the base of the middle seat. This could be a fabric loop or a small plastic handle. It's usually positioned right in the center, near where the seat cushion meets the seatback. Take a moment to locate this crucial component before proceeding. Once you've located the release, the next step is to fold the seat down. Pull the strap or lever firmly upwards or forwards. As you do this, gently push the seat back forward and down. It should smoothly fold flat, transforming into a useful work surface or a comfortable armrest. This action typically requires only a small amount of force, about 5 to 10 pounds. Finally, ensure the folded seat is securely latched into its new flat position. You'll often hear a click, confirming it's locked. Now you can utilize this newly formed flat surface as a convenient console or a handy workspace. Just make sure any items placed on it are stable and won't slide around while you're driving. Enjoy your enhanced interior versatility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.